Hello and welcome to Swantek. Over here we will discuss about anesthesia instruments like Laryngoscope. And this video is sponsored by Swantia Medicals, who are manufacturer of Laryngoscope. And I will add the description so you can order them directly from their website. We have here Laryngoscope sets, which is consisting of its inlay, fiber optic type, conventional type, and E-line type. As you can see in the video and pictorial form, there are various type of instruments which are to be sell separately. You can purchase from their website. I will add their email ID as well, so you can contact them directly for your purchase. We have here case inlay, calling tongue, holding forceps, conventional handles. That is an overview video, as you know, and Denhart mouth gag type instruments also in this category. And then the flexi type Macintosh type blades also in the making. You can purchase as per your sizes. The sizes of the blades can vary from 00 to 5 in case of Mac, and for the case of Miller, it will be also in this category, same category of the sizes, 00 to 5. And the LED cartridge is also very good. Light output is very good. Fiber optic guide, stable light output, and fine quality light output. Hope you like this video. Subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks.